Hey guys, welcome to Mishi Blue Tarot. So, I am back with the zodiac readings today for the month of July, from July 1st to the July 15th, and this is for Aries. So, we're starting with the fire signs first. So, I'll be first looking at the current situation that is on with you, Aries, and then, basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome. So, just give me a second before we begin. Okay, so sorry. Alright. So I'm using tarot and oracle, a mix of everything. So let's first see what's going on with you currently, Aries. Alright. So if the current situation resonates with you, then I think, basis that the outcome will also resonate with you. Let's see what's going on with Aries. Let's look at your current situation. What's going on with you right now? Okay. Tower. Don't get worried. Relax. Page of Cups. Five of Wands. Something has happened in your situation, whatever the situation is, and I'm seeing somebody wants to resolve it. Like, so if two people have had a fight, not you, the other person wants to solve it, but you are conflicted whether to move ahead or not move ahead. That's the situation that I'm seeing. Could be vice versa also, but pretty much I am seeing this to be like the other person wanting to resolve after a fallout, but I'm seeing you are still conflicted because this situation is conflicting. This situation has a lot of things which have to be resolved and looked at. Let me just clarify the Tower. Why is the Tower here? Eight of Wands. Tower again. Alright, so I think, guys, this could be that you had a verbal fight with someone. I think both of you are at par with each other, so I think this conversation led nowhere. Conflict. You said something, the other person said something, but conflict. Let me clarify Page of Cups. The World, yes. Somebody wants to, I think the other person here wants to make a gesture because they miss you. This person wants to, or probably has already given you some signs that they want to resolve the conflict, but you're still conflicted. Let's see the Five of Wands. Judgment. And Knight of Wands. So from inside you have that thing, that push that yes, I want to kind of look at what's coming, or maybe just kind of think around those lines, but you're still conflicted that, so you might be having those moments where you would feel like, okay, let me give it a shot, and then again you feel conflicted. One moment you want to resolve it, the other moment you don't want to because you're confused. Maybe this is quite big. I don't know. Maybe you guys have one basic foundational difference, if you get what I'm saying. So that basically means that one particular point or that one particular thing doesn't match. Okay, and that led to a huge argument here is what I'm seeing. All right. So if this resonated, now let me see what can you expect from July 1st to the 15th. Aries. I'll show you the cards, guys. Just relax. July 1st to the 15th. 9 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. 7 of Wands. I still see you resisting it. Even though you feel alone, even though you have, I don't know, like me, is it like you want to show it to this person that I don't care? Or is it something else? Because I do see that you're resisting. It's not like you do not want to do anything. Okay, but I'm seeing you resisting this energy very strongly. This could be a person, this could be an offer. I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, I'm seeing you want to resist it completely because you're not sure. Either it is an ego battle here, Aries, that you think you want to not really show your true inner feelings to this person because you think you will be heartbroken. And you might feel a certain sense of battle. Not a battle, but winning and losing kind of a thing. That you want to be the winner at the end of it. So that energy is here. Okay, like, I mean, I'm seeing that you don't want to lose this battle at any cost. You want to stand your ground and you want to put this across that this is what I want. All right. And you don't want to show that side of yours completely. Not at all. You want to show to this person or this, whoever the situation is, a person or whatever it is, you want to show that you are absolutely fine without them. This could be a person. All right. But from inside, I see that you're pushing this thing away because you too feel alone. Let's see what is the advice for you in this situation, because I don't think you will be resisting. It's a lot of effort. So it's like I see two things here. One could be that this person might start feeling that, okay, you don't need them. And on the other hand, you actually do because you feel alone, but you want to show this to the person that I don't need you. Let me know in the comments. Let's see what is the advice for you, because I still see this energy prevailing for the next 15 days. What is the advice for Aries? Gaia, Earth connection. Be mindful of the planet. Come back to Earth and stay grounded. I'll pick one more so that we know what this is trying to tell you. This is an advice for you for those 15 days. Magical map shifter. I think the advice also is to be the way you are. Like, what you're doing is not wrong. So this could be a confirmation reading for you, Aries. What you're doing is not wrong. Keep doing the thing that you're doing, because I feel that this is some sort of a power that you actually are gaining by this thing. Okay? And things are changing because of this massive decision that you've taken. Things are actually changing in your favor. So do not surrender, as in, of course, you're supposed to surrender to the universe, but do not give up this 9 of Pentacles attitude is what I'm seeing, Aries. Okay, be in this attitude, because it is bringing you the desired results that you had always been seeking. I'll still confirm. Should you keep being this way? Because I picked this up, but let's see if there is any guidelines that have to be followed. Yes, 4 of Swords. Do not do anything. I think whatever you are doing is absolutely correct. Ace of Swords at the bottom. You don't have to change at all. Okay? Maybe this person has something to learn from you. Or actually, I haven't dissected the situation here, but pretty much I feel you both, because the energies over here are equal. So you have a valid point, this other person could be having a valid point. So I'm reading for you. So I would say stick your ground. All right? So that's what I have for you, Aries. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with you, because this seems to be that I'm talking to some particular people, but this is a general reading. Let me know. All right? Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me as well. Take care, and I shall see you soon again. Bye.